This video, we will be exploring the exciting world of artificial intelligence, or as we like to call it, AI. If you have ever wondered what exactly AI is and how it's changing everything around us, you have come to the right place, and I am thrilled to be your guide. As we break down these complex topics into simple, easy to understand language. So, what exactly is this AI that's everyone talking about? Well, in simple terms, AI is like teaching computers to think and learn much like humans do. Imagine giving a computer a massive library of information, say countless articles, images, and sounds. Over time, with the right techniques, the computer can learn patterns, make predictions, and even solve problems on its own. That's the fundamental idea behind AI. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that sounds interesting, but how does it really affect me? The truth is, AI is already woven into the fabric of our daily lives, often so seamlessly that we don't even realize it. Think about the voice assistant on your phone that answers your questions, the personalized recommendations you get when you're watching videos or shopping online, the navigation apps that help you avoid traffic jams, or even smart home devices that learn your routines. These are all powered by different forms of AI. But it's not important about the technology we already use. AI is a rapidly evolving field, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's being used to create stunning digital art, assist writers with generating creative content, empower doctors with faster and more accurate diagnosis, and even drive innovation in tackling global challenges like climate change and disease. Understanding the basics of AI will not help you make sense of the world around today, but also prepare you for the exciting possibilities of tomorrow. Over the next few videos, we will be diving into the exciting world of specific AI tools that are readily accessible and incredibly useful, even for complete beginners. We'll explore how you can leverage these tools to boost your productivity, unlock your creative potential, and gain a deeper understanding of this transformative technology. Don't worry about complex coding or needing a technical background. My goal is to make AI approachable, practical, and even a little bit fun. So, if you're curious about AI and eager to learn more in a clear and engaging way, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. What are some of the AI tools you have already encountered or are most curious to learn about? Share your thoughts in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for joining me on this learning journey, and I'll see you in the next video.